Hi guys, welcome to your 30-second XHTML TML even tutorial, and in this I want to discuss with you child selectors. So basically we've got three links here, here and here, but two of them have a heading of H3, you see, and one doesn't. So what I can do here, I can go H3 with a greater sign of A of the link. So anything that has a H3 heading and is a link, we can color it orange, a font size of 50. So I've already went and ran this, and that you get here. Now to show that it is going to achieve what we're saying it's going to achieve, we will now change the color to say blue. Okay, and if I save this here, and if I go back into my web browser, and if I refresh this page, there you go, blue. But you notice here, golf hasn't been touched, hasn't been changed. Going back to another thing here, just so we did mention this a few times before, you see this line under here? That's text decoration. So when you see me in the previous tutorials putting text decoration of none, we don't get that line. We have text decoration of strike through, underline of none. Right, but this has underline, but you can take that out yourselves. It's very simple to do. So in this one, we've seen H3, anything of the anchor, we colored blue, and we give the font size is 50. The only two that are affected were these two here, because this one has no H3. Now you cannot go body of anchor, because that's a grandparent. This is the father, this is the son or daughter. Grandfather cannot get to here, only father gets to here. That's how it works, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and I'll see you on number 33. Take care. Bye.